Sometimes finding the right motivation to move is all about combining fun and fitness.
So I am here at A&A Ballet Center with Alexei Kremnev to learn why we can all benefit from ballet. Now, Alexei, I think we should start with knowing that we're not all going to be professional ballet dancers, but we should consider ballet for recreation to benefit our health.
Absolutely. It's about friendship, it's about community, and it's about commitment. If you spend 1.5 hours in classes in ballet at any age, it helps you. It helps you emotionally, it helps you physically.
So let's talk about the physical benefits of ballet. That would be better posture.
Absolutely.
Increased flexibility.
It's good for your muscles, for your joint, for your back, because you're not walking like this, or you're not sitting in the car, you're not working on the computer like this. You stretch yourself.
How is ballet a stress reliever?
It releases your emotion, builds friendships, and you can be part of community.
Okay, well, I think it's a great motivation to move, and I would like to learn a couple of ballet movements. Can you teach me some?
Absolutely.
This is the plie squat.
Yeah. We do plies and jumps.
Yes.
Pushing with both feet on the ground, and you're pushing the floor, and you're flying all the way up. You plie nicely, and you squeeze it everything to control it for plie, and go and up. Excellent.
I mean, see, that was so much fun. I'm already excited to do more.
A little bit more complicated.
Okay.
Open like forward and you keep space, so 1 foot in between is going to be in fourth position, right? So in fourth position, you plie on both legs. Good. Push from both feet and you close your arm in first front of your stomach with right leg bend on the passé. And you try to do 1 pirouette and you close fifth position behind and you close arms. I think you've done great, but for next exercises, I think we need some help and you have to bring our dancers.
Great, let's get them.
If you can go, guys. 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 7 and 8. 1, up, hold. Up and hold. 1, 2, 3. And up and hold.
Okay, well, that was really fun, and I really need to learn it, but I think what we really learned today about ballet is that it's a lot of fun, and it can really add to our overall wellness.
Yes, absolutely. It's good for your mind, it's good for your body, it's good for your soul, and for everything.
I love it. I want to do this again. For more motivation to move, just head to our website, livinghealthytv.com. Okay, can you count us in?
Sure. And fifth. 7 and 8. Up and 2. Up and 4. 1, 2.
Hey, did you like that and you want more Living Healthy content? It's easy. Just check out these videos right here.